Welcome to Greener Growth.
Hi, I'm Wesley from Greener Growth. This is one of the projects we have going on at the moment. It's Horringer Court. We've got a selection of family workshops that we've been running once a week. Anyone can come to, they just need to put themselves in. Today we've been doing a workshop about what to do with all your produce. I've been talking about fermenting foods and how to preserve foods in order to keep them for several months at a time.
We've come to the Greener Growth workshop and we've looked at how to make jam and how to pickle things. Also drying fruit, talked about how to dry apples and all different things that you could do.
Do you know what it is?
It's probably from the turnip family, is it?
Kohlrabi. They're delicious.
We made sauerkraut, which was really good,
Ideally you'd use extra virgin olive oil.
and we sampled slices of cucumber into the pesto, which was absolutely delicious. We drank lemon and ginger tea, and when we talked about how to make jam and how to bottle vegetables.
Everything we've used today in the workshop is completely organic and actually been picked this morning.
The workshop's just finished. We've had a great time despite the weather. We've had a little bit of rain, a little bit of wind, but I think it's gone really well. We've all had a cup of tea. We've tried some different foods. We'd just love to see more people and have some fun and yeah, learn some more things as a community.
We've made raised beds here with all sorts of plants, herbs, vegetables growing, and we want to encourage those residents to take care of those plants and foster more of a love for wildlife and growing food.